The big idea here is not just, open source or free software, it's open electronics. And to understand that, look at the PC. Computers were really proprietary word processors prior to the hardware and the software separating with the IBM PC, essentially, that allowed different entities to focus on operating system, third-party applications, and hardware. And that's what really allowed computers to become personal computers, this huge proliferation of third-party software. Without the PC, you can't have PC software. And without an open set-top box, you can't have the killer app for the TV set. This little board can do high-def video playback and encoding, all the multimedia stuff. It's under $100. It's efficient enough that it doesn't require a heat sink, let alone a fan. We have these modules. These are available. We put these in our developer samples. We put these in a mini ITX box. When you look at hardware that's compelling and capable as this is, it's going to receive its killer apps, the TV's killer apps, through third parties. And that's always the case. Innovation always comes from smaller entities, entrepreneurs, basement hackers, individual developers, because killer apps, innovation, all require enough space to make real mistakes. In Edison's words, I've not failed once, I've not failed 700 times, I've found 700 filaments that do not light a light bulb. But up until now, all the people that would be experimenting with those 700 filaments have essentially been locked out of the TV set.